All right, guys, a few years ago, I think 2015, I taught you how to perform 1,000 push-ups in a single day. And many of you did it, many of you didn't. And we got a lot of questions over the years as people started asking questions about it. The video has almost 100,000 views, which is pretty good for our channel, but it kind of disappeared. So today I wanted to bring back the 1,000 push-up challenge and to teach you how you can actually get it done. Now, I will say, anyone can do push-ups. I don't care how old you are. I don't care what gender you are. I don't care what your background is, what your relative limitations are. Push-ups are simply a matter of scaling over time. Now, let's break it down. The first thing we need to consider is proper push-up position. Proper push-up position is not all crazy with your arms out to the side and not with your hands super close. Proper push-up position is taking the heel of your hand just under your wrist in line with your lower pecs. So your elbows should be tucked in at a near 45-degree angle. Not all the way out. I can't even do that. And certainly not tucked all the way in. Naturally at about a 45-degree angle. When we start the push-up position, let's start on the ground. So our nose, our forehead, our lower pec line, the heels of our hands, our hip bones, our thighs, our knees, and our bent toes should all be on the ground. Now, the toes should be dug into the ground as we're thinking like a sprinter about to explode off the blocks. That's going to give you a lot of good force and contact point with the ground. So now in this grounded position, we're simply going to exhale down to lock in our core, keep our core super tight, and we're going to press our body at the same time. We should feel our forehead, our nose, our chest, our hips, our thighs all come off the ground at the same time. If you start to press and all of a sudden your shoulders go up and then your belly goes up and now you're like in a yoga pose, a cobra stretch, start back down, start over again. And to regress it even further, you might not yet have the strength to do even one single push-up. If so, stay with me. I'm going to teach you at the end of this video exactly what you should do. Now, if you can do one push-up like this, you're ready to go. Here's what we do. We will perform as many push-ups as we can every hour on the hour for 10 hours. That's it. What does this mean? Let's say you can do 5 push-ups with good form, and then your form fails. Hey, not a problem. Once your form fails, the set is done. Do not push yourself past what we call biomechanically correct form. I don't want to see crappy form. I don't want you downloading software that has bugs and glitches into it in your operating system. Perfect form, perfect download, perfect response, perfect execution. Let's say you can do 5 perfect push-ups. You do that every hour on the hour. 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're done. That's it. 10 hours, 10 sets of one push-up max. Now, whatever you did, hour 1, set 1, that's what you do for the rest of the day. I don't care if you feel better, if you feel stronger. This matters because we are now scaling and loading over time. I will strongly suggest I'm not going to say you have to start on Monday, because if you're listening to this on a Wednesday or a Thursday or a Friday, I want you to start. I want you to start right now and gain momentum. But what I will say is you must take 2 consecutive days off every 5 days. This is why Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, off Saturday, Sunday. We have to take that time off so the body can catch back up again. Stick with me here. I'm going to tie it all up for you now. So here's what we do. We perform 5 push-ups every hour on the hour for the first 5 days. And it goes like this: 10 sets of 5, 10 sets of 6, 10 sets of 7, 10 sets of 8, 10 sets of 9. Okay. Every day you add one single push-up to each of the sets. Every day you're adding 10 additional reps. Okay. So 5 push-ups on Monday times 10 sets turns into 6 push-ups on Tuesday times 10 sets, turns into 7 push-ups on Wednesday times 10 sets, 8 push-ups on Thursday times 10 sets, 9 push-ups on Friday times 10 sets, off Saturday, off Sunday. Very important. Do not train those days at all. I'm going to tell you what to do on Saturday and Sunday in a moment. On Monday of the following week, week 2, you start set 1, hour 1, with what you did on Friday. So you did 10 sets of 9 push-ups on Friday. The following Monday, you again go 10 sets of 9 push-ups. And on Tuesday, it's 10. Wednesday, 11. Thursday, 12. Friday, 13. Off on Saturday and Sunday. Week 3 now begins. Week 3, day 1, set 1 is what? What we did on Friday. That's going to be 13 on Monday, 14 Tuesday, 15 Wednesday, 16 Thursday, 17 Friday, off Saturday and Sunday. Monday, again, we start with what we did on Friday. And now what we're going to do is we're going to keep building load over time. We will keep accumulating volume over time. But more importantly, I cannot stress this enough. Your body will start rapidly changing come week 3. Your level of musculature will become noticeably different. I don't care if you're an MMA fighter. I don't care if you do yoga. I don't care if you play pickleball. I don't care if you are a power lifter. This is an athletic activity. This will not negatively impact your overall training protocol, no matter what it is. Think about it. If 5 push-ups somehow impede your overall training, you're not training correctly. You're not nearly as fit as you think you are. You're not eating well. You're not recovering well. You are not periodizing your training well. You're not managing stress well. You are not supplementing well. Think about that. This is slow and progressive over time. And I just say, think about a wrestler. Think about a high school wrestler, a 15, 16, 17-year-old kid. Do you know how many hundreds and hundreds of push-ups we did high school wrestlers do every single practice, and then wrestle hard for 2 hours, and then lift weights, and then run 3 to 6 miles every morning? It's insane. So don't pretend like I'm going to overtrain. You're not. You're just going to under focus. Okay. So now let me wrap this up for you. Eventually you will scale to the point that you are performing 100 push-ups every hour on the hour for 10 hours. And this is where you will be hitting 1,000 push-ups per day. Now, once you get there, send me an email to coachmike@thedolcediet.com, and I will give you the advanced program. That's for advanced. Are you willing to do what is necessary to become advanced in something in your life? You might have never become a professional athlete. You might have never been a college athlete. You might have never made the varsity team as a high school athlete. You might have been last picked for every sport you ever attempted. You might be so far from your athletic prime, you thought it was over. But listen to me right now. This is your chance to compete. This is your chance to get it back. This is your chance to win. You need zero equipment. You can do this anywhere. I was once working on a movie set with a very famous actor, and I had to whip him into pretty incredible shape. And all of the people around him got so motivated by his progress over pre filming and the early days of filming because he was in a bad way when we started. And by the time we really got to set and the cameras were rolling, he looked like a completely different person. And all of the writers and all of the producers and all of the production assistants started asking questions and wanted to get in. They were so motivated. I put them on this exact program. Over the 3 months of filming, the vast majority of this crew, and now anyone who knows Hollywood, it is insane. You're talking about 4, 5 a.m. call times, working, some I mean, unions and whatnot, but into the wee hours of the night. It's insane the schedule Hollywood crews keep. And it was so funny because everywhere you walked, everyone was on different schedules. You would see people just dropping down, banging out their push-up, put their clipboard down. They bang out their 10 or 11 push-ups. They go about throughout the day. You would see actors before or after their scene drop and bang out. Some of the co-stars. Everyone transformed their body. And this is my point to you. This is your chance to compete. And that's what I want. 10 sets every hour on the hour, starting exactly where you're. If you can only do 5 push-ups right now, guess what? At the end of today, you'll have done 50 push-ups in one single day. That's crazy. Tomorrow, you'll do 60 push-ups. What? 2 days from now, you'll do 70 push-ups in a single day, 80 push-ups, 90 push-ups in a single day. Are you kidding me? You can't even do 5. And I'm telling you that in a week's time, you're going to be doing 90 push-ups, 100 push-ups, 200 push-ups, 400 push-ups, 1,000 push-ups in a single day. 100% you are. This is a tried and true system. I want you to take part in it. Now, what I said, if you are a novice, if you cannot yet do one single push-up, do not worry. What I want you to do is I want you to set your body up in the top position of a push-up. Remember, heels just to the outside of your lower pec line at full arm extension. It looks like a straight arm plank, the top of a push-up position. We can all get into that. Good form, good posture. If I put a broomstick on your back, it should equally touch the back of your skull, the back of your neck, the small of your upper back in between your middle traps, all the way down your lower back to your tailbone. That broomstick, it should be a straight line. Your body should be a straight line at the top. And all I want you to do is I want you to hold that top position for 10 seconds. And then I want you to slowly lower for 10 seconds. I want you to do that every hour on the hour for week 1. Week 2, I want you to attempt your first full push-up. If you cannot do your first full push-up yet on week 2, day 1 of week 2, I want you to do the exact same protocol, starting at the top position, but now we're going to hold for 15 seconds, and we're slowly going to keep perfect form. We're slowly going to lower ourselves for 15 seconds. Set's done. We're going to do that once an hour, every hour, day 1. Day 2 now, attempt your first push-up. If that is successful, 1 push-up times 10 hours. And then day 2, 2 push-ups times 10 hours. Watch what happens. Any questions? Leave them below this video. You can also email me at coachmike@thedolcediet.com if you have more specific questions. Also, new shirt drop right here, ladies and gentlemen. New Dolce Diet limited edition signature t-shirts, next level athletic blends. We have performance tank tops also. I'll put the link below this video. The apparel line is blowing up now, dolcedietshop.com. So much cool stuff for you guys. The 1,000 push-up challenge, though. That's what I want to see. I want you guys to blow it up. Leave comments below. Save this video. Put it in your history. Send this video to your friends and family. Get your buddies, get your teammates, get your coworkers all juiced in and build a support group so we can all start doing this together. The 1,000 push-up challenge.